I expect some wonderful indulgences from your mother. She might, oh, my mom just fucking gave me his phone today. That's so cool. Fucking A, this is smart as hell. She just might agree to let you throw a big bash or have a sleepover at home. Presents in the night! I'm cutting that out. Where's that? Okay, here it is. Friends love hanging out with you. Yeah! Right at your place. We're so chill at our place. They love hanging out at our place. Probably because your mom is so cool. Okay, this says you're getting an indulgence and then you're getting a gift from your mother. I got a phone today. Someone's gonna spend the night. Oh, someone's gonna like your basement. Why? Why did I like your basement? Because our mom is cool. Hey, talk about cool and all this. I'm playing without you. Oh, fucking me. Oh, what the fuck? I asked you this. Just rip it, dude. Oh, come on. Fucking, I'm posting this and writing the day on it, so they remember. See you back at the top.